Muharram, a story of sacrifice, faith and communal harmony. This year's Muharram celebrations have come to a grand conclusion, once again highlighting the festival's unique role in promoting communal harmony. The celebrations witnessed several special moments and brought people together beyond the boundaries of caste and religion, reinforcing the message that humanity is one. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar and marks the Muslim New Year, similar to how Ugadi marks the Hindu New Year. However, it is not a celebration of joy alone. It is rooted in the historic sacrifice of Imam Hussain, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, and carries a deep historical and religious significance. According to Islamic history, Imam Hussain opposed the unjust rule of Yazid. In the desert of Karbala, Iraq, he and his 72 companions fought against Yazid's much larger army. Despite suffering from hunger, thirst and being denied water, Imam Hussain refused to surrender. On the 10th day of Muharram, known as Ashura, he and members of his family were martyred while defending truth and justice. Muharram is observed in memory of this supreme sacrifice, and over the centuries, the mourning for these martyrs has also evolved into an occasion that strengthens communal harmony. Muharram is observed across the country. In many rural areas, it has become a symbol of religious harmony, promoting friendship, love, and unity among people, regardless of caste or religion. In North Karnataka, Muharram is popularly known as Alayi Habba. One of its unique features is that even villages without a Muslim population celebrate the festival, with Hindus organizing the events. Preparations begin 10 to 15 days in advance as villages clean their homes, paint and decorate the entire village. The 10-day celebration includes traditional performances such as Hejje, Kunita, Huli, Vesha and the singing of Rivayati Pada. The colorful performances are considered one of the festival's biggest attractions and remain a magnificent spectacle of villagers and visitors alike. On the final day, a large fire pit is prepared in front of the installed Alai Devaru, and devotees walk across the burning embers as an act of faith. Those who have made vows perform deed Namaskara, offer sugar to the deity and distribute prasada. In some villages, people also sacrifice goats as part of the local tradition after fulfilling their vows and organize a community feast for the entire village. For the people of North Karnataka, Muharram is one of the most important and eagerly awaited festivals. Muslims working away from home may or may not return for Ramadan or Bakrid, and Hindus may or may not return to Ugadi or Deepavali, but almost everyone returns to their native village for Muharram. Families, relatives and friends celebrate together with joy, setting aside all differences of caste and religion. Religious scholars point out that many of these local customs are not directly connected to the core teachings of Islam. However, for generations, villagers have continued to celebrate Muharram as a shared cultural tradition with the same devotion as their own family festival. Many believe this spirit of togetherness is an example that today's society should emulate. At a time when attempts are often made to create communal divisions, festivals like Muharram continue to bring people closer and strengthen social harmony. That remains one of the festival's greatest strengths. Muharram stands as a powerful example of unity and continues to reflect the vision of renowned Kannada poet Kuvempu's famous ideal, Sarva Janangada Shantiya Tota, which means a garden of peace for all communities. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.